All right, now we're back. Two critical pieces of equipment, towel and ultrasound gel. Okay, so ultrasound, obviously you need to conduct ultrasound with the gel. So we're gonna say we're gonna do this right down here in her low back. Okay, so I like to put the towel down just so it covers up their clothes, so the goopy gel doesn't get on their clothes. And what I also like to do too is when I do it, I will put the sound gel on the sound head. And now this sound gel, what we've done is we've mixed ultrasound gel with, I'm not sure what this one is. It's a Malagesic balm. So we mixed them together. It still conducts electricity and sound waves, but at the same time, it gives that therapeutic, menthol benefit and numbing agent to help soothe the muscles. Now, this is gonna be a little bit cold. So what I'm gonna do is this, we put it right on the spot, okay? And let's say we're just gonna work in this region over here. And let's do this, how about, let's go like this. Let's fold this under like that, there we go. So it doesn't get on her clothes. Okay, like that, perfect, okay, good. So we get it kind of around the area that we're gonna work on, okay? So that's set. Now, I go back over here and I'll roll this way so we can see. Now, Sierra, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start turning the intensity on. Now you tell me if you feel the little tingling pins and needles sensation like you did with the muscle stem. You let me know if you feel it. Now, one critical thing, if we look over here, you see how that upper one, channel 1, is the one that's highlighted? I push that. Now the sound head on channel 2 is gonna be active, because watch, if it doesn't happen and it's at, let's go back to 1 like this. If I start turning this up, look at the conductance. There's no conductance, right? Nothing's happening. So if I'm doing this and the patient doesn't feel it, then we know, uh-oh, mistake. So then we do is go back down to 0, okay? And then we push it over to channel 2 with the sound head. Now, watch what happens. See it?
Yeah.
Now the conductance is going. Now you tell me when you feel it coming on.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good. Now, the sound is not going, it's just the electrostem. So I don't have to start moving this, but get in the habit of always moving the sound head, because you don't want it stationary, because then you can burn the skin or burn the periosteum. And burning periosteum is one of the top 5 most painful things a human being can ever experience. And you don't want to do that, okay? Especially not when you're working in my office, okay? So we start moving this. Now, tell me this. I'm gonna turn it up, and I want your muscles to actually contract and move. You tell me if it gets too strong.
Oh,
right there. Okay, good. So now, we can lightly see those muscles moving, but she can really feel it. So that's great. So check this out. Now, everything's set up. We got the sound is already set up. Now we got it on level 9. Now hit start. Boom, and now it's going. So then what we do is we move it around, and while I'm moving this, you tell me, is there a specific spot that hurts the worst?
Yeah, and they're closer to the spine.
Right in here. Okay, so that might be the area that you're going to want to concentrate the most treatment time on, because that's her main area of injury or dysfunction. Okay, so we're not wasting our time all the way over here hitting nothing when that's the area that really hurts the most. That's one of the huge benefits of using ultrasound muscle stem combo. Okay, and then the machine will go on timer and it'll go off by itself. And then let's say it's gone off. She's crying uncle there. You can see her lifting her foot up. So we'll hit stop as if the treatment time went off. Boom, it's done. We wipe it off. We wipe this off. That's why I like having that towel right there.
That's smart.
So then it doesn't get on, see, it doesn't get on her clothes at all. And then she's all ready to rock and roll. Okay. All right, and then we go back here, take the ground pad off, put the ground back on, wipe the head off. There we go. Pretty simple and easy, okay?